In this lesson, let's take a quick look at what needs to be installed for this course. I really don't want to delay those of you who already have their environment configured, but I decided to make such a few-minute summary at the beginning of the course to avoid any mistakes for these reasons. Xcode. I'm on a Mac and I'm going to work with iOS, so I need Xcode. Xcode has to be installed manually from App Store, but I'm convinced that everyone already has it. Just a reminder, don't forget to install the latest version Xcode command line tools using this command. Everything else can be installed automatically. For this case, I have prepared an installation script that can be found in the GitHub repository, and when you run it using this command, all the necessary dependencies will be installed. Take a look at what's in it, or, of course, you can do it manually. You will need Brew, which is a package manager for Mac, Java Development Kit, which is required by React Native for Android, Android Studio, from which I will use only Android emulator. You will need Android SDKs to be able to build for Android. You will need Intel Hexen to speed up your emulator. You can learn more on this link. And of course, you will need Node.js and NPM, Yarn as package manager, Watchman for watching files and live reloading, Git, editor of your choice, I'm using Atom. If you will install the Android SDKs, you need to have properly set environment variables and be sure to restart terminal to changes take effect. If you will encounter some problems with running official Android emulator, you can try Genymotion or just take a look at it. That's all. Install what you need and see you in the next section.